Hey, I'm Fish. I'm going to show you a very simple and easy, straightforward desktop steering wheel upgrade for my G923. It requires two boards, 2x2s, some nails, a drill bit, a screwdriver. What I'm doing is I'm placing 2x2 in for a spacer, and I'm making two. I have another board which I lay my steering wheel and gear shift on that I drilled the holes to lock them into place, and I simply remove it out of the desk to the side, and in here I made two levels for the reason of I want to go high and low for my comfort. Let's finish this off and show you at the desk. Here's one board. I hold it as flush as I can and I drill my holes. I put my screw in. This way the board don't crack when I lock it in. I finish off with the second one and I lock it in. I repeat for the other side. I have my drill, my board leveled, drill, a screw with the washer for security, bit that fits into the desk, and then just the screw into the metal part over here. Now I'm all secured. I slide in my shelf to the two heights. As I measure up for the fit, that's the first shelf underneath, a nice low profile. And if I bring it up to the next level by lifting up and placing on, I could go as close as to the desk I want or bring it out some. So this is the build, simple as can be. Hope you enjoy the build and thank you very much for viewing. I'm Fish, and I see you on the next sim, build, or gear. Have a great day.